Hello everyone, Zed Runner here. Just a quick update video. A little while ago, you may remember I picked up a second-hand Session 5, GoPro Session 5, primarily because of two factors. I wanted the video stabilisation. I think it's made some of the recent videos look much nicer, more powerful in terms of the resolution, the frame rates than my 3 Plus. But the stabilisation really adds something cool. I wanted a smaller, much more compact camera to be able to mount on the rear mudguard or fender, wherever you are in the world. And even with this low profile mount that comes with the Session 5, I think this height's still a little too great. It just impacts on the rear of the tail light. I'll show you that issue in a minute. So I did a little bit of searching around and found what I think is called an ultra low profile mount. Found this on eBay for about, Amazon for about £6. And it comes with really quite a cool cage arrangement, whereby the Session isn't mounted on top anymore. It's mounted like this, and you just take away a few more mil in the overall height. And if you look at them kind of next to each other, it's quite a difference in the height, and that's going to be all I need to get nice tucked underneath the rear tail light. I'll show you that as we go forward. I'll show you the installation, but that's a pretty significant difference in height, in mounting height. It's 10-15 millimeters difference, which is phenomenal. So we're going to take that to the bike and have a little look and see what difference it makes. So back at the bike, what we're going to do is clean up this area. There's had a little bit of rain on it in the last few rides. Just a little bit of damp roads. It's all sprayed up everywhere, as you can see. So I'm going to clean that off, alcohol wipes, that sort of stuff. And I want to try and get the GoPro mounting here. Now you can see the problem we've got straight away is that the centrepiece is recessed. So we're actually going to mount it slightly to the side. Slightly disappointed in that. But the original GoPros sit right up in front of this light and they just look horrific, and I don't want to obstruct the lights. Car drivers have enough of a problem seeing bikes as it is, so let's not give them any help in hiding. So I'm going to try and get the Session 5 mounted down here. Now let's look at the difference between the ultra low profile mount and the standard mount. I'll show you that now. So here's your low profile mount that comes with it, not the ultra low, it's just the standard mount rather. I've slid it into the flat sticky plate, and you'll see that mounting it's going to go about here. I think the straight one's going to be okay, but you can see it's just doesn't look right, doesn't look right. It's in the way completely. So we're going to show you now the difference in height that the ultra low profile mount makes that I found. Right, here we go, and from the rear it doesn't obstruct the light at all, and it looks quite smart, I think. I think that should be alright. Okay, so here we now have the view, stabilised view. So let's go and put it roughly where it's going to be, just to one side like that. That's the view we're going to get. We're going to use G-Technics panel wipes to do the cleaning. I've just realised I need to mount the low profile mount in the sticker quite far forward so that I can slide the little arm out if I need to. So I'll get that done then. Possible locations here, and the curved mount just fits that beautifully. The camera should then see your foot and the peg and the exhaust and all that sort of stuff. The rear wheels probably out of sight, which is a bit of a shame, but you may see if you're on wide angle, definitely you'll see stuff like knee down and all that sort of nonsense if we ever get there. So that's going to be the kind of look. So let's see. I'll get the cage hooked up and we'll do some preview shots. Let's get the preview. Double check on the preview. That's about right. Here we go. Every day, what do? We just clip in, and there we are, we're done. Nice. I think it's time to go out for a ride, don't you?